Multiple cinema trips in 1 month? Yes, it's unheard of in the corridor, so we're spreading out irrationally potent joy with not 1 but 2 movie reviews this week. Long legs being the other, link helpfully provided in the description. And so to Deadpool and Wolverine, the third outing for Deadpool in what has been a unique series to date. Plot-wise, it isn't mind-bending. Deadpool's world, timeline, reality, insert synonym, is in trouble, and only Wolverine will do. No arguing with that. The movie starts incredibly strong with an opening dance sequence to rival that Enya sequence from the second movie. Rival mind, nothing truly beats Enya. The sequence is well and truly telling the viewer exactly what they're getting from the movie. They wrap up that R rating, pop it on a pedestal and treat it like a queen. To address a few concerns we've got whiff of, yes, ideally you'd have some prior Marvel knowledge to get the most enjoyment out of the many nods, but it isn't essential for viewing delight. There's enough hand-holding to get everyone in on the joke. We haven't seen all of Loki either. Does Wolverine's involvement invalidate the ending to 2017's Logan? No. Bit of advice, don't overthink this movie. Has Deadpool been Disneyfied? Definitely not. In fact, they go out of their way to prove that is 100% not the case. Only Ryan Reynolds could get away with the level of Marvel bashing that exists in this movie, at one point declaring, "Welcome to the MCU, you're joining at a bit of a low point." They make their opinion on the multiverse gubbins clear too. Some punches are pulled, but sparingly. As you might expect from a movie that is upping the ante and providing some connective tissue post-Fox-Disney merger, there are some thoroughly enjoyable cameos, some more surprising than others. Very little is sacred, the internet being what it is. There are some great performances from Emma Corrin and Matthew McFadden, amongst others, but ultimately this is the Reynolds-Jackman show. Two very watchable actors superb together on screen. The characters they play, Deadpool and Wolverine respectively, are polar opposites, and that's why they work so well. It wouldn't be much fun if everyone just got along. Some of the best scenes in the movie revolve around them tearing each other apart, physically and verbally. The fight sequences are a definite highlight for me. When Wolverine gets his claws out, it's like something out of Killer Instinct. Awesome to witness. In keeping with the previous films, the movie boasts a solid, eclectic soundtrack. Huey Lewis and the News, Avril Lavigne, Green Day, NSYNC, Madonna, Krista Berg, the Goo Goo Dolls. The music department had a good time, and why the hell not? It elevates the movie no end. If you're looking for earnest, this is not it. It's a Deadpool movie, and that's exactly what you get. Sure, there are moments of emotion, primarily provided by Jackman's Wolverine, but largely this is silly, hilarious, nostalgic, action-packed fun. You'll be entertained, and what more could you ask for from a movie, Peanut? If you're questioning a cinema trip, stop right now. It's definitely a cinema movie. Have you seen Deadpool and Wolverine yet? Is your dialect coach the Minions? Let us know in the comments. As always, have fun storming the castle. Thanks very much for listening. If you'd like to contact us or check out what we've been up to, you can find us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. If you enjoyed the video today, please do like it, subscribe to the channel, and ding the bell to receive notifications about new videos. See you in the next one.